How to change Reddit app icon in iPhone and Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Reddit app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and go to your profile. After you're in your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, in here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, this kind of screen will pop up. Here, search for Change App Icon option and click on Change App Icon option. After that, it will lead you to this page here. Select the app icon you want, and after that, you can go back and your Reddit app icon will be changed. This is how to change Reddit app icon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.